In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, machine builders need more than hardware. They need smart, connected solutions that simplify design, boost productivity, and keep operations running smoothly. Eaton's Digital Machine Solutions combine automation, seamless data exchange, and remote monitoring to transform every stage of the machine lifecycle, from design and commissioning to maintenance and upgrades. With real-time insights and predictive maintenance, you can reduce downtime, optimize performance, and deliver unmatched value to your customers. With automatic detection and seamless updates of engineering tools, you can keep your systems current and ready for action. No more manual installs or version headaches. A unified dashboard streamlines collaboration and accelerates design cycles, so you spend less time on setup and more time building smarter, connected machines that deliver real results. Our plug-and-play IoT platform offers hassle-free integration, remote diagnostics, and proactive care, helping you capture new revenue streams through high-value service offerings. Eaton Digital Machine Solutions, simplifying machine building, maximizing efficiency, and powering your success. Learn more at eaton.com/machine solutions.